Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Worldly. Join us by subscribing and make sure to hit the bell icon for more tech related videos and tutorials. Now let's start the video.
Hello guys. Today we will discuss how to migrate WordPress website from one dashboard to another dashboard without opening the hosting or any server. So first of all, access the website dashboard to initiate the backup process. In the Google search bar, I'm just putting the WP admin. So here is the dashboard. Click on the plugin section, add new plugin. In the search bar, search WP all-in-one migration. So here is the plugin. Click on the install now button. And now click on the activate. So plugin installed successfully. Now go to the all-in-one WP migration plugin section. Click on the export. Export to expand this and click on the file section. Now your backup have been started. So once it's downloaded, please upload this backup on the new dashboard. Your website will be uploaded successfully. Thank you.